The Creuset Toughened non-stick collection is versatile, tough, and perfect for everyday use. Use toughened non-stick on any type of hob, including induction. Its hard-wearing non-stick coating withstands use in even the toughest kitchen. Cook delicious food with little or no added fat or oil, and the coating is so strong you can even use metal utensils. Heat spreads gently and evenly for perfect results. And the coating is guaranteed never to flake or peel. Food releases effortlessly, leaving no residue, making toughened non-stick a dream to clean. Experience the outstanding performance of Creuset Toughened non-stick. Tested, trusted, guaranteed for life.